Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. It's very easy to do. You just have to follow me step by step. At first, open a browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any other browser as well. After opening the browser, just click on your address bar and type support.snapchat.com. After typing, just click on go. Then scroll down until you see contact us. Then click on contact us button. Now from here tap on I think my account was compromised. Now scroll down little bit and you will see a form. You just have to give your username, email address and mobile number. In the description box just type you haven't violated any terms and ask for a account review. After typing just tap on submit. After submitting, Snapchat will create a ticket for your issue and you will receive an email about your account status. So this is how you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. Thanks for watching.